The upcoming release of the GoPro Hero 12 Black is creating a commotion and attracting the interest of fans who are looking forward to its introduction. With its innovative features, this camera is poised to completely alter the action camera industry. We recently got a first look at the upcoming GoPro Hero 12 Black, which will go on sale next month, and it's packed with intriguing possibilities. These leaks appeared soon after DJI unveiled the Osmo Action 4, its most recent action camera. Even while the Osmo Action 4 has won plaudits for its superb low-light recording abilities, it seems that its moment in the sun will pass quickly. What novel approaches and techniques does GoPro have planned for the Hero 12 in light of this? Let's explore the video. Starting with something exciting, a leaked image reveals a noteworthy feature of the upcoming Hero 12, which is an impressive 1-inch sensor, surpassing the size of the 1.3 inches sensor found in the Osmo Action 4. This revelation holds significance, considering that the larger sensor is a primary selling point for the Action 4. It's likely that DJI might feel a twinge of discomfort from this aspect. In our comparison video where we pitted the DJI Action 4 against the GoPro Hero 11, a notable observation emerged. The Action 12 distinctly outperformed the GoPro Hero 11 in low-light scenarios, thanks to its more expansive sensor. The dissimilarity was striking, and the enhancement in stabilization under dim lighting conditions was also evident. In principle, with the Hero 12's sensor size growing once more, the expectation is for an even more impressive outcome. Additionally, it showcases a notably larger rear screen, boasting uniformly thin bezels, encompassing all edges. This design choice imparts a contemporary aesthetic and is anticipated to facilitate smoother navigation through the settings menu, a change that is undoubtedly well received. In other aspects, the overall design appears reminiscent of the preceding couple of GoPro iterations, thus ensuring continued compatibility with an extensive range of mounts and accessories. One can reasonably anticipate the customary durability and waterproof attributes to be upheld, maintaining the brand's established standard, located at the lower section of the rear display. The displayed on-screen text indicates that the camera is configured to capture footage at an impressive 4K 240 frames per second, a doubling of the highest 4K frame rate achieved by the Hero 11 Black. Should these indications prove correct, it implies that the GoPro Hero 12 Black is poised to deliver an unparalleled slow-motion capability, surpassing anything witnessed on a consumer camera thus far. This feature aligns seamlessly with the camera's action-oriented ethos. There are also swirling speculations hinting that the Hero 12 could potentially support recording at an impressive 8K 60 frames per second. While the concept remains intriguing, we remain cautiously skeptical about the authenticity of this assertion, and the practical desirability of such a feature is also uncertain.
Want to earn money? You have no idea about trading? No problem. Here is Hilton Meta FX. If we are talking about benefits, you can earn profit 1 to 3% with AlgoBot Daily and 2 to 5% with SuperBot. Not only that, you can earn 10% from direct refer and 80% from team generation income. At last, you can earn royalty income also. Here is the team level bonus. This is rank and monthly income. Royalty income. Why your invest is secure here. You can withdraw your invested amount anytime. You can withdraw your earning money 24/7. Your investment and profit will be deposited into your Meta MT5 wallet. Many people are earning here a huge amount of money. Here you can see all proofs here. Still afraid? For more details, join our WhatsApp group. Link is given in the description box. And I have given my Hilton Meta link in the description also.
The upcoming GoPro Hero 12 appears poised to integrate an enhanced iteration of the Hyper Smooth technology, a move aimed at elevating its capacity to deliver even more seamless footage, particularly within dynamic and action-oriented scenarios. While Hyper Smooth has undoubtedly revolutionized stabilization, it still falls short of the mechanical stabilization standard. This gap suggests that refining stability is poised to become a pivotal focus for the forthcoming model. Furthermore, there are speculations surrounding the potential inclusion of an upgraded processor, the GP3, building upon the impressive groundwork laid by the GP2 processor featured in the GoPro Hero 11. As GoPro maintains its steadfast commitment to upholding its prominent position within the market, it's reasonable to anticipate that no expense will be spared to ensure that the upcoming model embodies peak performance and efficiency. In conclusion, the GoPro Hero 12 might come with a larger 1-inch sensor promising improved image quality and low-light performance. Alongside the potential for groundbreaking slow-motion capabilities, this camera holds the potential to set new benchmarks. The design enhancements, including a larger rear screen and compatibility with existing accessories, signal GoPro's dedication to user experience. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.